everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Jane's Marketing channel. Today's clip will show you how to use a software. Help us scan out all the data on Facebook. And we're going to scan all the post UIDs, membership group, and so on. Today I will show you how. Scan group member ID. Here everyone. This is the main interface of the software. Help us scan UID of this group member, this group. Scan this fan page profile posts and so on. And now I will guide people to scan out all the potential customers. They are group members. Here I entered all the IDs of the group I need to scan. For example, I can enter the ID. Let's see which group. Everyone, fill in your ID here. Then groups like this are going to have IDs, like this. And I've got a lot of IDs here. We can scan it out. All the members in here. And the members. The ones we scan out will be the most newcomers. Here we will choose the part that is. There are two parts to scanning. Quick and scan details. I'll scan the details to get the link of those members. And here, for the quick scan, we'll just scan out the UID. Next, each group I'm going to scan out 1,000 members. You can scan as much as you want. So I'll scan each group. Scan 1,000 members. There are 69 groups, means we'll scan 69,000 person and select the accounts to scan. This is very fast. And now I'm going to click scan in the software. Auto scan for us. And in a moment, everyone can see the results. Okay, I'll stop now. Because the software has scanned out about 4,000 pieces of data, I now export this Excel too. People can see this. So we have the UIDs of these people, this guy. Sex. Time to participate so that we can filter. The newest members are the ones who have highest need and potential. There are also personal links. Here, for example, click here. You can get out there too. That's the real person. Dubai. This is the end of my clip. Bye everyone and see you soon.